dyma gêm nesaf, sef Death Crimson 2.
Cool.
Actually, na, dim Death Crimson 2, ond Death Crimson OX yn fi chwarae.
Cool.
Death Crimson, yeah, hwnna'n barod. So Death Crimson OX, so ni'n gallu gweld fan hyn, shooting game developed by Icol. It was released in arcades in 2000. Oh, ti wedi gwestiwn rhywbeth. Okay, munud. Then ni'n mynd nôl i hwnna. Death Crimson OX, right. Like and shooter, very similar to the House of the Dead series. 2000 gan Icol. Like and shooter, mae'n mynd bach yn awr yna. Ond ie, ni'n gallu gweld, mae'r style y game yma'n debyg, ond Naomi technical, so yeah, na fi just mynd syth mewn, I don't credu.
Just not goffa fi o stop o draw yn y gwasanaethau.
Yeah.
Nôl yn flwyddyn 2000 i 2005.
Yeah. A lot o game ei tebyg.
Oedd.
Yeah. So, dyna ni, clasur arall gobeithio.
No. Beth sy'n digwydd?
Hey! Right, start to play. Mae hwnna ni. Press the button. Oh, call. Nag yw call yn gael allan ysgol yn Ffranig. Legendary Gun Criminal. Bring back Lily. By SNO. Subliminals. Shop. Okay. Okay, ni'n barod. Sydd mewn e 3-1. O na, yr un botwm yw e. Gyfer yr un yma. Bach na o'r arall. Mwyn fwy o rubbish. Ie, mae bach o delay o sen. Ti'n gwasgu fe, wedyn mae'r pethau yma. Sim at your llais. He's just yn dangos y script on. Ond mae hwn yn un house representation of the screen. So ddim poeni fi o y delay yna. Fi ddim yn hoffi bod na ddim actors achos o'n i wedi clywed yn un mai Crimson when they kidnap Lily. I kidnap motherfuckers. Professor. Yeah, mae'n gwael bod ni'n G a hat, but never mind. As long as ni'n ennill, does dim ots.
Yeah.
oes e?
Just eisiau chwarae'n ffordd ni trwy'r gêm.
Yeah.
Be mae?
Oh.
Let's go.
Oh. Okay. Mae fe'n edrych yn gobeithio. Zahoo.
Professor Grey.
Which is more real with Jimmy Bond right now. Just like, dwi ddim yn ei teig. Dwi'n meddwl faint o'r cynnig oedd fel giving off time. Can be rubbish, man. Safar.
Sinclair Bleeders. Do I say shut? Un peth ar ôl y llall, yna. Rhaid i nhw.
Ie. Ie, fi'n cytuno. Fi ddim yn deall, like...
Beth yw y stori? Beth yw'r stori?
Dim. O? O, pa i dweud ni'n erbyn hi nawr? What? Oh, somebody getting damaged. We'll have to get something going. Well, bring it. Unbearable. On a day of H earlier. Hang on. Pat, a friend of Resolution. Looks like you need me now. Pwy'r boy yma?
Yeah.
Did you find anything on Lily? I'm afraid not. But there's got to be some clues in so far. Come to think of it, SMO had a plant there. Might as well destroy it. Do you think that would be so easy? Fine. Got Lily. Stand up. Maybe crook and they'll give up my mother even if we maybe we'll be crook you just have to die. What's the matter? Is that all? Yuriko, get on.
Maybe get me ar awyren nawr.
Oh, Biff! Looks like we've lost the plane. That's really that's just, I'll be watching the plane here. Go take care. Give you, don't worry, I'll get Lily back. Look at Coffee Bill Senior. Let's see how far how to use Crimson. I'm going to show you the maps. Might as well take you to the SMO plan first. Same. That is so. Oh well, SMO bioplant. This is the SMO plant. What is SMO of the middle of the can't be. That's too horrible. That's mother. Finally, I find you. Cool. It's no use. He's dead. Okay. No, mother. Whatever did you do this for? The destructive force of Crimson's referred to whom as something that dramatically improves their physical and mental ability. Mass producing Crimsons and equip the subliminals with them. This rule the world, and you will be no use to us, prepared to die and feel the force of death and tracery. I won't let you get away with killing my mother. How I met your mother. How I killed your mother. That must be death tracery. Down there, up here. Disadvantage. You're a to the rescue. Go find the person that does it. Let's aim at the inner hour. Then maybe aim for 21 hours.
Ha!
Like, really harsh.
Asin. Class and Asin.
I'm massive fan of pictures.
You're
Oh,
Asin.
Venol! Jesus.
Oh yeah, Asin.
Oh, I don't have a weapon. Oh, and yeah, I don't know how weak spot Oh, and you never know. Hold on. Now I need to ride. It's not 12. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Remember so many of those dice because Crimson. Let us seal them forever. Yes, so they will never create tragedy. Who is that? I was waiting for you. Oh, Professor Oak. I'm from Glowmel. What are you doing here?
Glowmel!
Glowmel. This is why. Oh my god. Professor, you were Admiral Zaha. Who will get away with it? I don't know how. Haid y True Crimson. So, a ni ti'n meddwl lleisio, ond ti'n neud y sŵn top o'na. Awgo! Awgo!
What an evil looking beast.
I'm going to kill that monster.
Beast
gwybod ti'n dod i'r diwedd a maen nhw'n neud doi fel out of nowhere fel doi o bwger yn cael wased. Ond disgwyl gelyn newydd nawr ni wedi cael o'r blaen. Ie, edrych chi Little Boss yn rili ofni hwnna nawr i'r gael. Mae'n massive fan o'r Ie, un o bwger. Now we can come across Can you have a moment? Power in your hand.
like when
Hands along the
road.
stupid being, I shall kill you to get. gweithio, mae'n gweithio. Ie, ni'n bend yn hynny. Oh, fi yn gwybod. Na, cutscene. Mae gyda ni cutscene. God, crimsons are disappearing. Even with the power of the true crimson, I cannot you take the true crimson. You know the reason why crimson exists.
Na.
Fi ddim eisiau gwybod. It's because humans have a desire to hold a gun and a shoot. Desire is evident. What? The dark desire is the true source of radiant blue light here. And I shall just disappear along with it. We seal crimson in its place and we're back to Sarnica. Having lost Almazara, some women away. As long as humans hold a twisted desire for guns, crimson is sure to surface again. Crimson forever. Ydyn nhw wedi creu gun game yn bod yn anti-gun
Gun,
game?
yeah.
Just hwn yn hollol
Got-
stupid.
Yeah.
Problem death crimson on it.
Mae'n fel bod time yn meddwl, ie, ddim yn ei hyn.
Stand, just i...
Neu falle bod nhw
Nawn
jyst
ni-
eisiau rhoi hwnna mewn. Just, sort of, o wel, i'n meddwl i'r bobl.
Falle, but
Yeah.
still...
Dwi ddim yn neud symud.
Dwi ddim yn ei symud, a also, rhywun sy'n hoffi gen y gymryd, gen mae gyniau sy'n mynd i chwarae hwn.
Yeah.
So peidiwch a neud nhw'n graphic.
Yeah.
Because dwi ddim, like, choose your audience, yfe?
Yeah, yeah.
Beth yn union oedd hwnna.
Wedi byd o.
Just ar 9. Dyna ti. Fantastic. Na, dim problem. Wel, dyna ni. Dyna
Dyna
oedd
ni am y
tri-
noson, yfe?
Ie, dyna fe. So, ni wedi chwarae 3 gêm fyna. Naomi, Sega Naomi. Oedd y gêm ola, Crimson OX, yn ofnadwy. Ofnadwy. Bydd rhaid ni gyd ar sianel YouTube fel fod. Ni'n mynd i neud nhw gyd fel fideo ar wahân. So yeah, ni wedi chwarae'r gêm yna. Right, ni just rhoi enw i ni. Ni wedi chwarae'r gêm yna, so chi byth gorfod, okay? Just cofio hynny. achos...
Dwi ddim hyd yn oed ar...
Okay. Ond, ni wedi chwarae'r gêm yma, so chi byth gorfod wneud eich hun. So just cymryd hwnna. Peidiwch â chwarae'r gêm yma unless chi'n dechrau.
Ofnadw.
Gêm ofnadwy. A dyna ni.
Right.
Diolch pawb, wylio pawb am aros o gwmpas. Diolch Emrys am modo a fod yn cwmni dda, Spice Orange. Byddwn ni gyda chi cyn bo hir. So noswaith dda pawb, a diolch eto Emrys. Peidiwch byth, oedd y gêm yma, un o'r gemau gyniau golau mwyaf gwael, ond ddim mewn ffordd hwyl chwaith.
Na.
Oedd ei just yn crap. Dim actio llais. Ni yn, mae 9 o'r gloch fel arfer ni'n mynd tan 10, ond fi'n mynd i stopio'r un amser a Tom heno, achos oedd hwnna wedi blino fi. Oedd y doi gêm gynta.
Dwy gêm gynta yn dda, ond y gêm yna.
Oedd
e just gormod un ar ôl y llall.
A wedyn oedd stori yn just pathetic, oedd y sgriptio mor gwael.
Darllen.
Achos oedd ddim actio llais. So hwnna'n blin o chi o'r cychwyn.
A wedyn oedd neud dim synwyr, chwaith.
Na, oedd hwnna'n ofnadwy. So, peidiwch â chwarae Crimson X. Byddwn ni yn ffeindio amser i chwarae gweddill gemau Sega Naomi rhywbryd. Dwi am wneud stream hir ystod y prynawn fory, del efo Point Kevin a stuck yn i ti. Pa gêm ti'n mynd i stream o Emrys? Nos fory.
Rho wybod.
Rho wybod, ond ni'n gallu, just roi ar Discord anyway, pryd bynnag chi'n mynd. Ond, dim clem, ond rhywbeth dwi'n rhoi chwarae o blaen. Okay, cool. Edrych ymlaen o hwnna. So, cool. Right. Ni'n mynd i gorffen efo hwnna. Cael nap bach, dwi'n credu, a paned neu rhywbeth. Diolch am wylio pawb.
Diolch pawb.
A gweld chi yn y stream nesa. Noswaith dda.
Hwyl am y tro.